Are you planning to develop software but not sure how much it will cost? Estimating software development costs can be tricky, but it's crucial for making smart business decisions. Let's break down the steps to help you understand these costs and stay within your budget. First, start with the discovery phase. This is where you figure out the problem your software will solve and list the key features you need. For example, if you're building a fitness app, you might need a step tracker, a calorie counter, and a social sharing feature. Knowing what you're building helps you estimate costs more accurately and avoid surprises later. Next, evaluate the scope of work. Think about the minimum features needed to launch your app and get user feedback. You might begin with just the step tracker and calorie counter. This basic version, or MVP, lets you test your idea without spending too much upfront. Once you see what users want, you can add more features over time. Then, choose your tech stack and understand the project's complexity. The tech stack includes the programming languages and tools you'll use to build your app. For example, using Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android might offer better performance, but requires more experienced and often more expensive developers. If you want to save money and time, you might use cross-platform tools like React Native, which lets you build for both iOS and Android simultaneously. Break your project into sprints and smaller tasks. Sprints are short, focused work periods, like a 2-week sprint to develop the step tracker. By breaking the project into smaller parts, you can better estimate the time and cost for each segment, helping you manage your budget more effectively. Estimate each part of the project separately. Start with design, then develop each feature, and finally plan for testing. This helps you understand the costs of each step and make adjustments as needed. Make a cost breakdown to see where your money is going. For example, if design costs $5,000, the step tracker costs $10,000, and testing costs $3,000, you know exactly where your budget is being spent. Plan for potential budget changes. Even with careful planning, unexpected costs can come up, like fixing a bug that takes longer than expected, which could increase costs by 10 to 20%. Having some flexibility in your budget helps you handle these surprises without too much stress. Several factors affect software development costs. The type of software project is one. A complex web application with multiple user roles and data processing can cost much more than a simple mobile app with just a few screens. The project scope also impacts costs. A basic MVP for a fitness app might cost around $20,000 to $30,000, while a full-featured app with social features, in-app purchases, and AI-based recommendations could exceed $100,000. Your development team size and hiring model are crucial too. Hiring an in-house team might mean higher salaries and benefits, while freelancers could be more affordable but less reliable. Outsourcing to a software development agency can save both money and time since they provide a full team and manage everything from start to finish. Other factors also influence final costs. Developer location matters a lot. Developers in Central Europe often charge less than those in the US or Western Europe, but can still deliver high-quality work. The tech stack you choose also affects costs, especially if certain technologies require specialized skills or longer development times. Don't forget about hidden costs in software development. Quality assurance and testing are crucial because bugs can appear at any stage, leading to unexpected expenses. For example, if a bug is found after launch, fixing it could cost an extra $5,000 to $10,000 depending on its complexity. Lost time due to delays or miscommunication can also add up quickly. In conclusion, estimating software development costs can be challenging, but breaking it down into smaller steps makes it manageable. Consider all factors, plan for hidden costs, and always keep some buffer in your budget. If you want to save time and optimize your budget, consider outsourcing to professionals like ProCoders. We can help you build your next project efficiently. Contact us today to get started.